All right, Keith, the good news here, not a lot of rain for us right now.
No. We have the opposite problem.
Or bad news, yeah.
Well, you get that much rain and the soil can't absorb it anyways.
Right.
So what we need, drought-wise, would not be popular for most people. It would be like consistent days of rain, which is not coming. Enjoy the other side, which is beautiful today.
Yeah. It was nice to have sort of that little break
Yeah.
from the humidity,
Yes.
but still beautiful. Yeah.
It's still nice enough. I had, windows down type situation. And we get to 82 in Portland. So actually above average for this time of the year still. 82 in Bangor or any time of the year, because this is about our highest average of the entire year at 80. 81 in Freiburg, 77 in Lewiston. Dew points down. And that's the biggest difference. I mean, obviously we shed 7, 8, 9, 10 degrees over the past couple of days. But the bigger thing is these dew points are down to a more reasonable level after being up in the 70s in that oppressive range for a few days. Now, it's not so dry out there that we were unable to develop any clouds. In fact, you can see quite a few fair weather clouds into the mountains and some cirrus clouds streaming to our south, so two separate areas of cloud cover. So we've ended up a mixture of sun and clouds through the afternoon as I thought we would. Those clouds will settle tonight once the sun sets. It'll be a comfortable night. And if you didn't have air conditioning, you've been suffering through the last week or so. It's great news. And if you have it, you can probably turn it off. Unless you need the sound machine. I guess you can always do a fan. Temperatures dropping eventually into the 50s by early tomorrow morning, but then quickly back up. And tomorrow is another nice day in which we get into the low 80s. A lot of sunshine. Dew points remain reasonable. We start that way on Thursday as well, as temperatures there get to the low 60s and then push back into the upper 60s, low 70s through the middle of the day. And then here comes some showers and storms. Timing of this has slowed down a little bit every model run. So initially it looked like we'd see showers and storms late morning. Now it's looking like it might be late afternoon or even evening. The timing of this will determine whether or not any of these are strong. Right now, we don't have too big of a concern, but we'll have to watch this. If the timing is in the afternoon, some of those could be strong. You could see some downpours implied, maybe some hail implied in this as well, Thursday afternoon into Thursday night. Once that front moves through, we'll be in pretty good shape. Friday originally looked like it was going to be kind of a rain out when we looked last weekend, but it's gotten drier and drier. Again, drought begets drought, and now it looks like Friday is decent, just some pop-up showers, and the weekend is still looking really good. And here's the European model's depiction of Friday with some isolated showers around Friday afternoon, but then we clear out. Saturday and Sunday both look really nice. We start to warm back up into the mid and upper 80s for Monday and Tuesday of next week, so it looks pretty warm there. Dew points will come back up with it. So I'd say by maybe Sunday afternoon, definitely by Monday, you'll notice that we're back to the humidity. And we could be back into the upper 80s by mid next week, maybe some low 90s depending. And some thunderstorms should reset the dial again on Tuesday. We're in this pattern where we build up humidity, knock it down. There is something to be said, though, for this idea that drought begets drought. There's some research on this whole idea that low soil moisture makes it harder to get rain again. So like some of the downpours yesterday fizzled out, right?
Right.
Some of that has to do with the fact that we don't have much moisture in the soil to begin with. So there's a whole kind of pattern that happens here.
Okay.
But for now, just enjoy the upside of it, which is sensibly it is very pleasant out.
Well, we as Mainers are always optimists.
Right. Try, right?
Joking.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, Keith.